What if the fate of girls' sports in America could be decided by a handful of judges? Le Best Commander. In Washington, D.C., hearing arguments that could either lock or unlock the doors to female athletics for millions. Riley Gaines, former Olympic swimmer and fierce activist, has been watching this drama unfold with bated breath. She tells us she had a front row seat as attorney for West Virginia v. B.P.J. and Little v. Heckox took their cases to the Supreme Court. The stakes? Whether states can legally bar transgender girls from participating in girls' sports, or if they must protect those athletes instead. Gaines says this isn't just about a single law. It's a test of constitutional fairness for all women and girls across 27 states that already limit participation. She was there when the 9 justices listened to 4 hours of testimony, watching every pause and rebuttal with intense focus. When we asked her if she could celebrate a win, she shook her head. "Equality is not a celebration," she said. "It's the bare minimum." The world may think this case will go in favor of athletes like herself, but Gaines warns that even hearing it in Washington feels like fighting an uphill battle. She added that while a favorable ruling would be a step forward, it might still leave room for state-level challenges. "I hope we see 6-3 or even 7-2, she said, "but I'm not expecting a clean sweep." The decision could take months, but the tension is already palpable in the corridors outside the courthouse. Gaines describes the scene as one of quiet anticipation. Lawyers pacing, reporters holding breath, and activists holding signs with hopeful slogans. She believes that if the court rules against the restrictions, it would set a powerful precedent for all states to follow. Yet she also cautions that even then, state legislatures might try new ways to sidestep the ruling, keeping the fight alive. So what does Riley expect from this moment? She says she wants justice, but also practical protections that allow girls to compete fairly and safely. She emphasizes that the case isn't just about legal technicalities. It's about real athletes who dream of a place on the field or in the pool. If the Supreme Court upholds the state laws, thousands of young transgender girls will be barred from sports teams they love. That would mean a future where gender identity is legislated into eligibility, not just recognized by society. Riley's voice carries that fear. She wants to protect athletes who have already faced discrimination and exclusion. She urges viewers to understand the ripple effect. One decision could influence policies in schools, colleges, and community leagues nationwide. And she says it matters because sports shape identity, confidence, and health for so many young people. When we asked her what would be a satisfying outcome, she replied that any ruling in favor of inclusivity would be a win, even if the scoreline isn't perfect. She reminds us that this is about more than numbers. It's about the right to play where you belong. The next few months will reveal whether justice wins, or if the law remains an obstacle for countless girls. So hold on tight, because the Supreme Court's decision could rewrite the rules of girl athletes' participation forever. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.